I grew up in the area, just down the road here in Dandridge, Tennessee. Bush Brothers has been here for over 100 years, and so growing up in the area, everyone knows about Bush Brothers.
Every organization has data, and that data is important. It's important to you. It's what makes your company your company. So that data has value to somebody else as well. And realizing that is important because you have to protect it from getting into other people's hands.
The security program at Bush Brothers, we take care of the day-to-day information security operations, the network security work. We basically just try to protect everything at Bush Brothers from all the bad guys. So we were using a legacy data tool for a while, and while it checked all the boxes, it was just really difficult to maintain.
We spent so much time keeping the system running that we couldn't ever progress our data security program.
Sometimes it would break, and after it broke for about 3 months and was down for all that time, that was just unacceptable. Concentric AI's solution was really easy to implement. In fact, we actually got it hooked up and turned on before we were even finished with our first conversation.
It's faster to set up Concentric AI than it is to eat a can of beans.
It was instant results. We saw better data, better visibility, and we were able to get right off the road immediately.
The best way to describe Concentric AI's data security governance platform is a simple, intuitive cloud platform that provides context around the data that you have and how it's being used. Semantic intelligence is a concept that Concentric AI uses to help you contextualize your data. It gives you something to look at and it provides context around, is this normal behavior for one person to do? Is this normal behavior for this type of data?
We can see all the data across all the different categories in the business. From manufacturing, sales, from HR, we can see it all. Post-implementation with Concentric AI was great. Every time we had a question or anytime we've needed something, they've been there to help us along the way.
I would definitely recommend Concentric AI to someone in a similar situation to ours or anyone who's looking to get real context around their data and how it's being used.
I think all data professionals need to use a DSPM tool like Concentric AI.